Well, I've made it to Tenerife and I'm at Tenerife South Airport and I need to get to Las Americas to my hotel. Now, we are taking a taxi. Yes, we are going to see how much a taxi costs to Playa Las Americas. We're actually going from Tenerife South all the way to the Ticatan Lover and Friends. We're going to see how long it takes, how much it is it a good journey, is it worth getting a taxi or is it worth getting the bus? I don't know, but I'm getting a taxi because I'm shattered and I mean it can't be that expensive, can it? But we're going to take you guys along for the journey. I hope you enjoy this journey. Oh, beautiful weather just now, 27 degrees here in Tenerife. Wee bit windy today, as you can tell if you watched my last video. The turbulence coming into land was really bad, bad experience for me. But yes, we're here in Tenerife, so let's go and take a trip in a taxi to Playa Las Americas. So if you're coming off the plane, you get your luggage, you'll come out this door. You'll normally come out this door unless you go the opposite direction. And then the taxi rank is basically just up here, straight ahead. You've got the coaches on the left hand side and then you've got the taxi rank just up here. So we're going to walk up here and get a taxi. Oh, hello. You available?
How are you?
I'm good, you?
Good.
Michael, nice to meet you.
Okay.
Going to Ticatan, Lovers and Friends.
Ticatan, it's okay. Hi, my friend.
Hello, my friend. How you doing, buddy? How you doing? I'll just put this in the back as well. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, lovely. Oh, get that aircon going. Oh, fantastic. So we're going to the Ticatan Lovers and Friends. Thank you. So anyone who wants to know the time just now, it's 6 minutes past 6. 6 minutes past 6. And we'll see how long it takes to get there. I think maybe about 15-20 minutes. You never know, it might be quicker. So yeah, enjoy the journey. We're here already. Ticatan, Lovers and Friends. Boom, right to the door. Fantastic, fantastic. Right, pay by card. Pay by card, yes. Card. €29. 29 euro. Lovely. Pay by euro, yeah? Thank you. And the time is 18:21, so it's a quick journey. And you also need, that's brilliant, thank you very much. That went through, yeah? Thank you very much, my friend. I'll get my stuff. Okay, so we're here at the Ticatan in Tenerife, Lovers and Friends. Really good taxi journey, really good taxi journey. Nice gentleman, helped me with my luggage as well. Very nice. €29. There you go, €29 to get here. Maybe another €5 to get to Costa Deque. Los Castellanos could be around about the same price. But didn't take long at all. What, 14 minutes, 13, 14 minutes to get here? Well worth the journey. But we're here, I'm going to check in. I'm absolutely shattered. It's been a long day. So I'm going to check into my room. I'm here for 2 nights. I've got a video coming up of the hotel in the future. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and I'll catch you in the next one, my friends. Thank you for watching.